James Oxygen and Supply, from residential to industrial, a locally owned family business serving Western North Carolina since 1956.
This is Community Focus on the WHKY News. I'm Rob Eastwood. Arianna Mack sat down with a representative from the Hickory Fire Department to discuss cooking safety.
It's time now for your February update from the Hickory Fire Department. Taylor Lafone joins us to talk about cooking safety.
Cooking is something we do every day. It brings family and friends together and provides an outlet for creativity. But did you know that cooking fires are the #1 cause of home fires and injuries?
Can you share with us some helpful tips that we may often forget while cooking?
The #1 rule is simple. Never leave your cooking unattended. Keep a close eye on what you're cooking. Keep your cooking area clean. This includes the stove, the oven, and exhaust fan. Keep flammable items such as dishcloths, oven mitts, food packaging, and etc. away from the stove. Watch your sleeves. Those loose sleeves can catch fire or even get caught on pot handles. Keep a lid close by in case of a pan fire, and unplug small appliances when not in use.
These are all great prevention tips that I feel like we forget the simplest things sometimes or just don't think about them. Tell me about distractions in the kitchen and how we can prevent those.
Of course, distractions are everywhere, usually in the kitchen. It's a child or a pet, so you want to make sure you create a kid and pet-free zone around your stove when cooking. Normally this is about a 3-foot space to keep them away to prevent injuries to you and them.
Okay, you have shared some simple ways to prevent a fire, but tell us, what do you do if we do have a fire occur?
First step is obviously not to freak out and try to stay as calm as possible. Turning the burner off and taking the heat source away can help put it out. Then slowly slide a lid over it from the side. It is important to remember not to move the pan or put water on it. Both of these actions may cause the fire to spread.
If for some reason the fire gets too out of hand or you yourself are in danger, what should we do?
If you feel comfortable and have one available, you can use a fire extinguisher to maybe help. If not, get you and your family out safely, close the door, and then call 911. And as always, make sure you have working smoke alarms in your house. If you need yours checked or need new ones, you can always contact us here at Hickory Fire and we will make sure you have working alarms. Remember, cooking safely keeps your family safe.
Thank you so much, Taylor, for joining us. Stay safe. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thanks, Arianna, and thanks to Taylor for joining us as always. And that wraps up Community Focus on the WHKY News. Remember, you can get all of the latest news and sports 24/7 at our website, WHKY.com. We also have local news and sports 7 days a week on our sister station, WHKY Radio, 1290 AM and 102.3 FM, and streaming on multiple platforms and at our website. And again, for all weather-related schedule changes, check that website. Thank you for joining us on behalf of Arianna Mack, David Cedrone, Jason Savage, and Taylor Lafone. I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, this is the WHKY News.